Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to speed up your computer. If you got a slow computer, if it's slow booting, if it's slow just doing anything, I'm going to show you how to make your computer faster in this video using a brand new software tool that came out, and it does a whole lot more than just make your computer faster, and I'm going to show you exactly how that works. Now this software, it isn't free. It's $30 for one PC, but there is a free trial version you can download. And this free trial version will go through and show you exactly the problems that you're having. So to download it, you just go to advancedsystemrepair.com. That link's also under this video, and if you click on it, it'll let you directly download the software. You just click where you want to save it, click save, and I'm going to go through the installation so you know exactly what you're doing. You just click the installation file once it's downloaded. It says welcome to Advanced System Repair Pro. Click continue, and then there's some options down here. It's up to you whether you choose it or not, but I never send anonymous info to any of these companies. I always uncheck that box, and then you just want to check that you accept the privacy policy, install it, and scan it. Now the scanning process can take several minutes to do depending on how many files or junk or whatever you have on your computer. And so I'm going to let it run here for a few minutes while I give you just some brief information about the tool itself and what it does. So with this tool, Advanced System Repair, it will go through your computer and it will analyze everything on your computer. As you can see here, it's going through my operating system, the CPU, local drives, video card. It's analyzing all this data, and it's going to break it down and tell me what issues I'm having with my computer and what I can do to fix it. And then if you buy the software, which like I said is currently $30, it will repair and take care of all those problems so you don't have to do a thing. And it does more than just that. What it'll do, it will actually it does virus and spyware removal. It repairs virus damage. It will repair Windows stability issues, repair application stability issues, allow you to get more disk space, which ultimately leads to speeding up your PC and making it faster. It'll optimize your Windows registry. It'll clean out system clutter. It protects and cleans privacy traces, so where websites can't trace exactly where and what you do online. It'll fix corrupt system files, speed up startup time. So if your computer is really slow to load, it will automatically make those adjustments it needs to make your computer boot faster. It'll defrag your PC to improve performance, which you can do that directly from your computer, but it's just easier if it's all integrated within this tool. You can fix Windows vulnerability issues. It'll I think that's just about it. It pretty much covers everything. So what it is, it's a tool that manages your entire computer instead of having 5 or 6 different tools to do this and to do that. And you can see here it's scanning my computer, and it found login information that's stored on my computer that can be accessed by anyone who is on my computer even. And so it'll correct that for me as well. So that's part of the privacy part of the software that's involved with it. And so once it goes through all this, which it looks like it's going to take a little while, I have a pretty big computer, but it's going to go through all the junk files. It's going to go through everything, and then it's going to optimize everything for me. So my computer will speed up and be 10 times faster, basically almost like new again. So if that's the issue you're having with your computer, I highly recommend you download this tool. It's that link's directly under this video. Download the free trial at least and let it scan your computer so it'll show you what it finds. And then at the end it'll actually compare your computer system with everybody else's who uses this tool, and you can get an idea of you know, where you stand with this. And let me go ahead and do that. I'll go ahead and click stop scan, and we'll give it just a second here.
Scan has completed. Advanced System Repair found important fixes and recommendations that require your attention. Please review them now.
Okay, so when it's done, she's going to talk to you and just let you know it found problems and you need to fix them. And it'll go through here and it'll tell you everything that's wrong with it, even driver updates. So it has options here where you can update your drivers, which can also lead to issues with your computer being really slow. And so you can see here all the options and all the features that it does. So it's a great tool You don't have to have any kind of knowledge or experience with using software tools like this, because it does everything for you. And for the $29.95, which is what it costs, it's extremely worth it. So I highly recommend you go on over there, check it out, download it, let it scan your computer, and I think you're going to kind of be blown away by the results it's going to show you.